I am installing a programmable thermostat. I have a 3-wire bundle that comes to the thermostat, but only 2 terminals on the furnace control unit, see picture. I can easily connect the R and W wires on both the thermostat side and the furnace. But I can't connect the C wire to the thermostat. I have an unused G wire in the wire bundle, but no terminal to attach it to on the furnace control unit. How can I connect a C wire when there is no C terminal on the furnace?
Hello. Could you give me the model number of the thermostat you're trying to use?
It is a Lockstate LS60. Though I am not sure it matters. Any programmable thermostat seems to require a C wire, and I don't have a terminal on the furnace side.
Is your furnace an oil furnace? There are programmable thermostats that run on batteries and do not require the C terminal to be connected, and these would be compatible for your furnace.
Oil. Right, but this one is a Wi-Fi thermostat and seems to require more power than batteries can provide.
An oil furnace generally doesn't offer a common terminal to run the unit, as the small transformer for the controller is a different voltage. Do you have central air in this furnace?
No AC.
In the furnace, is there an external control transformer around, besides the burner transformer and the one in the burner control?
Not sure. See attached picture and let me know if this helps. Full-size image.
No external transformer. The only way you can use the thermostat you have is if you purchase a burner control with the large transformer for oil furnaces with AC. On the existing transformer in the burner control, there won't be enough voltage amps to run the control in the thermostat, and it will either burn the control out or chatter constantly.
Is this something I can do myself? Do you have a link to a burner control I would need to install?
Depends on how handy you are. Let me see if I can find one. Give me a couple of minutes, okay?
Okay.
Honeywell makes one R818. It is quite expensive, retail $339.00. Wiring of this is identical to what you have now, only it has a larger transformer and a control panel to attach all the wires to.
http://www.amazon.com/Honeywell R8184G4009 International Burner Control /DP/B0006 ref =SR_1_1 E=UTF-8 and KID =135998946 and SR =8:1 and keywords Honeywell plus R818. This one. This does look identical to mine, and still does not have a terminal to attach the C wire.
Full-size image. Let me check something.
Okay. So referring to my existing control, I would run the 2 yellow wires to the 2 F terminals and the R and W to their respective terminal, and then use my extra G wire, the C wire.
Yes.
And I can't use my current control unit and connect the G wire to one of the existing terminals and have it share the terminal with another wire.
eBay is loaded with these controls or 8184M1051. They are way off of the trade price, but if you get one that is new in the box from a highly rated seller, you can get them from $52.00 to $118.00, but trade price is around $130.00, so anywhere in there would be good. No, your current control is too weak to run the stat, plus you have no access to the common or C.
Okay, great. Thanks. I will buy one of these.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.